Hello students, welcome to my channel once again, and today I would like to start with the introduction of this book, which is going to be the part of United Standard, and this is your English grammar book. Okay, let's see what is the name. Comprehensive Functional English Grammar and Composition. Okay, which will include reading, writing, grammar, listening and speaking, and this is for both the classes, that is 9th and 10th. Okay, here you will get one publication sticker, and this book is totally based on the syllabus issued by CBSE. Okay, it is written over here. Just look at this, and this is of Lakshmi publication. You have to purchase this in this for this session. Okay, and our today's topic is diaries entry, what we have to cover today. Okay, in previous class we went through article writing. Okay, and I hope that you would have understood that. Okay, so today we have to discuss diary entry, which is almost similar to this. Okay, so let's see what is the definition. So topic is diary entries. The person who writes a diary gives his impression of the events of his life on that particular day. Okay, firstly just see that how will you write diary entry. Okay, it is similar to article writing, as you have shared your thoughts in article. Okay, your genuine thoughts with datas and evidences, you have written all the things. You have to write all the things in article writing. In the same, you have to share your feelings here. Okay, but that was based on any particular situation, and here you have to write about any event, occasion, what happened, what had happened on that occasion, how did you feel, what was going on in your mind, everything, each and everything you have to share in a deep. Okay, but that should be in curtail way, in a very short way, not very deep that you have to, yes, you have to share everything, but that should be in curtail way, in a short way. Okay, so here you can just see the example. First just see this, I am showing you here. This is the example of diary entry. Okay, this is diary entry, how you have to write this. Here any question is given, and this is the example. Okay, now you can understand that how you have to write. Now I'm going to start. Okay, that how will you write diary entry. So we will start with the definition, which is given over here. So the person who writes a diary gives his impression of the events of his life on that particular day. Okay, so earlier I told you that we have to share our feelings of that particular day. Maybe the experience of any wedding, you have to tell what did happen on the wedding day. Okay, how was the bride looking, how was the bridegroom looking, how was the food over there, how many gifts were there, how was the decoration. Okay, so these are the things that you have to share in your diary entry. If it is asked about any marriage party, that share your feeling about the marriage party that happened on that particular day. So we are talking about that particular day. Okay, you can see here that particular day. Okay, so this account is private and therefore honest, and the very important thing that this account is very private and it is to be honest, because you are not gonna show your diary entry to anybody else. This is not the public property, this is not for the public gaze, this is your private stuff, and hence it is honest. You have to be very loyal, you have to consider it your best friend, bestest friend. Okay, so no one writes his diary thinking that it is going to be published one day. Okay, you don't have to think that it is going to be published one day. Okay, this is very private stuff, I have already told you. So yet some diaries have been published after the death of their authors. Okay, there is one exception, that is some of the diaries have been published after the death of the author. So it is about the authors, not about you guys. Okay, so when some authors are there which are very dignitaries, okay, which are very renowned, so after their death we want to know about their life, what they have written in their diary. So after their death it is published, but if we talk about our diary, it is not going to be published. Okay, so that's why you can be very honest with your diary, You have to share all the things, but in a short way. Okay, did you get what is diary entry? You have to share your feeling over here, whatever you are feeling, but in a short way. There are some important points what we have to go through. Let's just start. I have highlighted. We will just go through that only because we have to cover through these points only. Okay. Okay, let's see. First one point is a diary can be the best friend of a writer. Okay, in the starting I told you that you have to consider your diary as your best friend so that you can share anything. You have to be very loyal. You have to share your true feelings, what you were actually feeling at that moment, what should be happened, what didn't take place over there, what did not happen. Okay, you can write even that also. How was the expression of others, anything, even smallest thing you can share over here. It helps him to understand himself better. Okay, if you write diary, you will share all the things. In this way you can understand yourself in a better way. You will try to know, because if there is no one, if there is no best friend, okay, so there are a lot of things what we feel about the next person but we can't speak. But if you have diary and you know that you're not gonna share your feeling with the another one, so you just become very loyal to that thing. Okay, because you know that your diary is very private stuff that's not gonna be public. Okay, so right, and the next one thing in this line has been added further, that writing makes a man perfect, and it is absolutely correct. If you start writing in your own words, that will really make you a perfect person. So when we write, we learn. Absolutely, when we write, we learn. And the next point is, while writing your diary, put the date and time at the top. I'm telling you guys, seriously, this is the point you have to keep in your mind whenever you are going to initiate and embark on your diary entry, because this is the first point you have to keep in your mind. The first thing is you have to put the day, and after that you have to mention the date also, and then you have to mention time also. You will not write day and day by day, then you will mention in day Wednesday. You have to directly mention Wednesday, then you have to directly mention date. You will not write day by day, you will directly mention date as it is written here. I am showing you here. Okay, in this way, July 20, 2019, timing like this. Okay, here you will mention day and here you will mention time. Okay, so this is the point by which you can get 1 marks directly, very easy way, in a very easy way you can get. Okay, now let's read further point. Diary doesn't give great details. Okay, I told you that you have to be very true, you have to be very loyal. Okay, so that does not mean that you have to put all the thoughts over there. So let's read further, we will be more clear. Let your expressions be short but clear. Okay, you have to share your feelings but in a short way, in a curtailed way, not very lengthy, because their word limit means you have to complete your diary entry within 120 words. Okay, writing the diary is not writing an autobiography, though it might help you one day when you decide to write your own biography. Okay, firstly it is mentioned that writing diary is not an autobiography. You're not gonna write about yourself only, but it will help you one day to write your own biography. It is definitely very true that when you start writing, you will get to know about yourself, but that does not mean that you have to write to your autobiography. You're just telling what were the happenings about all the days, about that particular day. How did you feel? Means everything. You will learn to write. You will learn to express yourself. A lot of things you will learn. You even don't know about that. Okay, so let's move towards the next point, which is 6th one that has been highlighted. I am leaving just 2 points because it's not that important. Okay, what is written? Just go. Let's go through. A great benefit of diary writing is that your own mind becomes clear and you learn to express yourself. It has already been discussed by me that a great benefit. What is a benefit? That you will learn to express yourself. You will exhibit yourself in a better way because you share everything with your diary. You share everything with your diary. You are very loyal. Sometimes there are some feelings, there are some emotion, there are some matter which we just can't express, we just can't tell to the next person. That's why we just feel frustrated, we don't know how to express ourselves, that's why we feel frustrated. Okay, but when you start writing diary, you will become very clear about yourself. You will just clear your thoughts, what you actually want to say. Okay, so it is really very helpful. It's not just about your course, it's not just about your syllabus. If you start writing diary in your daily life, in your real life, you will really learn something. So I will suggest you to really write diary on daily basis. Make a diary and make it. But that was my personal suggestion, but we are talking about the syllabus, how will you write diary. Now I am skipping 3 points, 7, 8, 9, and after that we will come downward, that is 10th one. Okay, let's read what's given over here. You can make your own diary interesting in way you want. Okay, so that is up to you, that how can you add some creativity in your diary, how can you add some creativity in your diary. And you may write an interesting sentence you have read or heard on that day. It is really very powerful point I am getting here. Okay, so what is the point? That you may write any interesting sentence you have heard in that just suppose you have gone in any birthday party, just suppose you have gone in any event, just suppose you have gone in any expedition, any tour. So what did you hear? Was that very important? Was that really important to note it down? So you can write that. If your seniors said you something, if your friend told you something very interesting that is related to you, that can bring some changes in your life, so you can really mention that in your diary, or you can put any picture. So in your notebook it's not that possible, if it comes in your examination it's not that possible that you can find a picture, so just leave this thing, but you can write that sentence. Okay, and one more suggestion from my side, that you can write, you don't have to be very formal, you have to use informal language. I think it is given in the last one. Yes, it is given, I will discuss, but firstly let me tell you that if you use better words, it will be really very impressive, you can get more marks. Okay, if you use idioms, if you use better words, that will really bring creativity in your writing. You will also learn something. So try to add better words in your writing, diary entry, to express your thoughts. Okay, let's move towards 12th one point after skipping one point, that is 11th one. So what is given in the 12th? Your entry in the diary is purely informal, because you have to treat your diary like a friend, and with friends we are very informal. So you may end it with a greeting as if you have spoken to a friend. Okay, you can say good night, goodbye dear diary. So like this you can write this, goodbye. Okay, you may sign it or you may not, that's up to you, that is optional, you can do anything you wish. Okay, you can sign or you can mention your name, or you can, and you may not, that's up to you, everything is completely optional, it is even given over here. Okay, but treat your diary not as a piece of paper, but as a living human being who is the other you. Okay, that what is written over here, just look at this. You have to treat your diary like a human being, like a friend, the other you, means it's you only, that's the soul, that's your soul only, not anybody else. Okay, give this being the respect it deserves. Okay, so you have to consider your diary as your friend, and keeping these things in your mind, you have to write diary. Yes, just look at this example. This is a question, and this diary entry is in about 120 words, and it is very important. Okay, date is mentioned here, and timing is also mentioned here, sorry, and name is also mentioned here. You can sign here as it was told earlier, that sign is here. Okay students.